जय हिंद इंडिया के वासियों. Another phone like same Note 6 Pro for my friend. इससे पहले मैंने आप लोगों के लिए सेम फ़ोन का अनबॉक्सिंग किया था. So I was waiting for the another one. So the Flipkart guy just delivered the phone. So I'm going to unbox it again just to check whether the phone is in the box or some soap inside.
132.
It's a very cheap quality package. Alright. Okay, the phone is there. So we are safe. Wow. My friend first time he has got such kind of costly phone in his life. Alright.
अनबॉक्सिंग कर.
Here I go. Sri Ganesh. All good so far? Unless it is not broken inside. Wow.
Nice color.
Keeping it aside once again to check the other accessories in the box. Same, the SIM opener, the paperwork, manuals, back cover, the adapter and the data synchronization cable. Here, your phone.
इसको कहाँ headphone?
Switch it off. No headphone.